Is this the best zero balance account right now in the United Arab Emirates? Well, let's find out. RUYA Digital Islamic Community Bank is currently known for its no minimum sale requirement, no minimum balance requirement, and its easy account opening process. There are so many big competitors in the zero balance account game, with big banks like adcb, Mbank, and Sharjah Islamic Bank. But RUYA clearly stands out for having no hidden fees. And here is one of the key benefits. The RUYA Digital Islamic Community Bank was fundamentally designed to support local communities, especially low-income earners like you and me with low salaries in the United Arab Emirates. That's why the RUYA app is so easy to use, making the zero balance account opening process online so smooth, eliminating the friction we usually face while opening accounts with other big banks. So, this is one of the fastest and most secure Islamic banking in the UAE. In fact, you can open your RUYA zero balance account right now, right away, without a need for physical documents. All you need is either your UAE pass or a copy of your Emirates ID. By following these 4 easy steps, you'll have your account in a few minutes. But here is an important question. Which of all the accounts that are offered by RUYA Bank is zero balance, and which or best option for you? RUYA Bank offers current, savings, and smart accounts plus the kids account. To maximize the benefits, go with the savings or the smart account option. Both these 2 account types have no hidden fees, no minimum salary and balance requirements. With your RUYA zero balance account, you can also make instant money transfers. Send money to your loved ones or receive payments directly into your bank account. And the most interesting thing is money transfers from one RUYA account to another RUYA account are free, and also transfers to all other UAE banks is relatively cheaper with just a charge of 15.75 fils. You can also make international transfers back home to countries like India and Pakistan. And in addition, you'll be able to receive monthly bank statements in your email. One of my subscribers, Bro Hacks, asked me whether you can transfer your salary to the RUYA zero balance account. You can do this in 2 easy steps by simply opening a RUYA bank account and then share your RUYA IBAN number or account number plus the routing code with your employer. And then you'll be able to transfer your salary directly to your RUYA bank account. Currently, if you do transfer your salary to the RUYA bank, you'll automatically enter a monthly prize draw of 25,000 dirhams. So, you can download the RUYA app from either the app or the Play Store. And RUYA also have a business banking solution for those looking for corporate banking. Do you think RUYA Bank zero balance account is the best zero balance account right now? If not, then Al Bank might be the right option for you.